Palladium against US dollar this week has dropped in value. We can see that the price has made a breakout below 974 and reached the next support level 937, and it has been broken even more on the Friday. Weekly time frame shows us this is a bearish breakout below very important support level 937.50. Monthly time frame shows us that this previous month has formed a bearish breakout, which is just below 937, which is also indication for the further decline down, which is a very important signal right here. We can see that in the past the price did not make a breakout with the candle closing below this important support level, but now the previous month has done that. Weekly time frame shows us that the next target will be 856.69. With this week, that needs to be validated next week, which means the next week candle should not close above 937, which will be a confirmation for the further decline down, reaching the first support level, which is 856.69. If the price returns back up on the weekly time frame, closes the week above, this will be indication of the failed this bearish breakout, and it will be move in the opposite direction. We will see then what are the next targets. The daily time frame shows us also a bearish breakout on a Friday, which has not been confirmed. So on Monday the price needs to stay below 937.50, currently acting as a resistance, to validate this bearish breakout, which will be indication for the further decline down, where the next stop is 856.69, a support level. But before that, we are expecting that the price will stop right here, which is 829, first support level for the price. Now, this is all for this week. We need to see first validation on the Monday, which will confirm further decline down. But if the price returns back up, which will be invalidated this bearish breakout, this will be indication for the further rise in value, and the next stop, which is the next target, is 974.955 as a target, which is a resistance level. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.